Someday, and that day may never come, I may call upon you to do a service for me. But until that day, accept this as a gift. Never tell anybody outside the family what you're thinking of getting.
Women and children can be careless, but not men.
Spend time with your family? Good. Because a man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
That's my family, kid. It's not me.